What's up, guys? How's it going? A little different mode video today. We did a little bit different mode. We in park mode today. So a couple things. All right, number one, we're gonna start off with the hood. When you get one of these hoods, immortal hoods, the black or the white, the holes aren't drilled in there when you get one of these accent panels. So you drill the holes in there. If you take the panel off and don't want to have the panel on there anymore, you're always gonna have holes in there. So that's one thing. So if you're gonna get an accent panel, you're gonna drill holes in there, you're always gonna want to have an accent panel on there. Someone was asking me about the height of the pegs, and the thing is, it's like you're pretty good up there. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Got a tape measure right here. So the peg, we got the peg at 8 inches, right? So you say your foot hangs up. About 6 inches, you say? My foot's usually, let's see. It's there. Foot's probably a good 6 inches off the ground. That's pretty good for me. Like, and if you don't feel comfortable with that, they always do sell the running boards for it that you can put on, and you don't gotta worry about your foot hanging. But I've never had a problem with my foot hitting the ground. Not at all. So my mileage, we at, let's see, pops up. 3,494 miles. Running good. She running strong. Running strong. I don't know, I told you guys before. Tire's bald, haven't replaced that yet. Got a bald tire here, it's getting bald. I told you guys about the the tire hitting the muffler. When it feels like you're bottoming out, sometimes you take a turn. I guess it's how it turns, moves. It hits the bumper. Obviously, it has to have some play in there with the spring and stuff for how it runs. A little dirty. Got a lot of rubber from burning out. A little dirty. So I got when you get the helmet bag, you get the lock that goes right here, right? So I'm gonna let you guys know now. When you're putting this lock on, it's easy. You really don't even have to take nothing off to put it on. You can get there's access under here. You can get to it and hold the bolt and tighten the bolt. What you don't want to do, what you don't want to do is pull your seat off. You pull your seat off, your seat's gonna come off, and you're not gonna be able to get it back on. These little things right here go inside these slots here, and see how they're flat like that, like a T. So they have to be like that. There's no way to get your hand under there and do it. So the way to fix it is you're supposed to put like paper clips on here to hold it together, but you're supposed to like take all this stuff off and raise the front of the body up to get this back on. So I couldn't do that, but the thing is like I want a comfort seat, and I'm gonna be getting a comfort seat. And once you get the comfort seat, you can just snap that on there. So I wasn't gonna take my time taking that all off to pull it off and put a comfort seat on there, you know? This thing right here, story right here. See this right here? So I like it. I really do like it, but I've lost 2 phones in 1 week because of that thing. So I was riding one day and I hit a bump, hard bump, and then I realized, you know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, oh shoot. So I went to finally went home, and then I realized my phone was missing. I went back to find it, it was gone. And then 1 week later, exactly 1 week later, I was riding on the highway, going, you know what I'm saying? I picked up a little bit of speed. Wind hit it like a little sail, blew it off. It was gone. That was a night ride. Phone was gone. So it usually comes with this little rubber thing that has straps that go over your phone. But that rubber thing broke the first like week I had it. Like it ripped. I don't know if it was from the sun drying it out or something. But it worked very well. Like if you're not going fast, it works well here. But trust me, beware. My grips, by the time to replace those, worn out. It's that riding. It's that riding. You know what I'm saying? This little vinyl wrap I put on there really didn't do a good job. That's why it's like a little bit there and a little bit here. I did a better job here, but I did that one first. But I didn't like how it came out right here, a little wrinkly. So I tried it right here. I liked how it came out, so I just did 1 and 1. Oh yeah. Let's look at these. You guys know how I ride. I ride pretty hard. I ride pretty fast. No cracks on none of my bolts. None of my bolts are cracked here. None of my clips are bent. I don't know. None of those are broke. None of those are bent. None of those are cracked. They all look good. My plastics don't look like they're shrinking like people's are shrinking. Plastics look good in place. You know what I'm saying? I'm loving my Ryker. I actually seen a post on Facebook today. Someone hit a pothole and actually bent their rim. It wasn't a rally edition. So maybe it is a little better to have the more reinforced rims, because you never know. Parking brake lock, I use that all the time. Love it. And another thing about the Ryker, a lot of people, when they get off the Ryker, they're forgetting their keys on their Ryker. Keys on the side, you forget it. But if you have this here, you never forget your key. Because every time you go to lock this, you see your key, you grab your key. So this thing is also good as a reminder to grab your key. I have a friend, and sometimes he forgets his key, and he's like, oh shit, I gotta run outside to get my key off my Ryker. Scary situation, because you can go out there, it could be gone. Gas tank lock, working lovely. Any questions, let me know. Let me know any questions. I address them. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe, share, tell your friends. King Jaffe Joe 413. He's willing to let you guys know what you need to know. Talk to you guys later.